Hey yo, I'm back when I upload. It's 4 a.m., but it's not a problem for me. So, we're going to survive another disaster. Please stay tuned in the end of the video, cause you will be very surprised if I will survive or not. So now, as the world has been... I couldn't even tell my story. And we're going to do the same map as last time. I'm having a bad thoughts. I have a bad experience here. I've been here pushed and killed up tsunami, so that was not a pleasant experience. Guys, a storm comes and a tank wants to kill me. A fat tank, don't kill me. So now, guys, I'm with family. You stole my tank last time. Oh, she's gone. Oh no, guys, I think a tornado comes. Or am I right? Or am I not? Will we survive? We will. I mean, I try. Because I really have to survive it. Because then I'm not getting subscribers and everything. Everybody will think I'm dumb. A blizzard! No, guys, it's so cold. I feel it. It's seriously so cold. We're going to have to go in shelter. I don't feel here safe. Where can I go? Where will I survive? Here. Guys. We need to survive. But how will we survive if I cannot even hide? I'm getting very angry because I need to survive and feed my family. Everybody's here. Gathering. Guys. Why is there a gathering? Oh, sorry guys. We got to stay alive. I'm staying alive. Guys, we need to survive this. Finally, I'm disaster which we will survive. Others not. I fear two of my fellows, and we will survive. Just hang on a bit. Please, survive. So, guys, as I mentioned, from now on, my video will be much more better, will have much better quality. So now, we will survive, like this white hair guy. So now, thank you for whoever watched till now. And now let's continue with the video. And we survived, so we don't have to continue with the video. Thank you for everybody who watched this video. I'm very happy that you guys are here. And bye bye.